It's currently the 4th.
Let's go. I love July 4th.
We should do fireworks.
Yeah, somebody start launching fireworks. That's America.
Oh my, there's
Bro, you
like
might die.
hella lightning.
America.
Where do we go if there's a NATO?
Yeah.
Where is our NATO protection spot?
There's a window in the bathroom.
Probably be up at the, I'm gonna guess we'd have to go up to the right?
Or bunker below the house. Bro, imagine going fishing during this. This would be crazy.
Yeah, we're cooked.
Walleye shop. Yeah, exactly. That's what Dad would say.
Is this a true
We're
walleye
dead.
shop right now?
I don't want to die. It's too early.